Let me tell you, I am an extraordinaire in the NSFW art. I will make sure this is very legible for all you guys. Oh, what's that? You want another one? Yes, sir, indeed. Mr. Wiener is back for a second. This was on July 7th. I have places like Chicago, Detroit, Milwaukee, getting the tip, Kansas, getting that deep shaft, Illinois, getting no idea what the fuck's going on over here. What's that? You want another one? Bam! I got you, bro. It's just staying in the same area, too. Bro, speaking of, can we do something about this fucking heat, bro? Do you see it? Look closer. Closer. Nah, bro. What even is this? Bam, there it is. Ugh. You know how the humidity is just coming in from the south? It's just gonna just feel like disgusting. Savannah, all the south, all Virginia, just humid. Amazon rainforest. Also, we're still getting rain. I'm right here. That's a lot of fucking rain. We got shafted. Bro, what is going on with this weather? These storms are no joke. All these marginal and slight risks, don't be fooled if it's not an enhanced risk. It will still blow your trampoline and pretty much a small child across the yard. Man, this is the part that I hate. I believe I talked about this in my last video. This kind of stuff gave us a tornado warning. Started going this way and then it dove. It just dove. I'm not sure if it was a reverse low-level jet. It didn't end up going to Clarksville. It just got like this, but there was still outflow, so it just kind of just disintegrated, but it's still scary, bro. I was like, what the during the nighttime, too? We got a bunch of fucking tornadoes in Canada. Welcome to the gang, Canada. Hey. There are places in Canada who have never seen a tornado in probably 20 to 50 years, just getting their blown to smithereens, bro. Gosh, again with this stuff. It does not end. The still life of a penis. We still have this. We're getting shafted. Arizona, you're in monsoon season. There's some life in this SPC and not in a good way. Why is it all the way up in Maine? Bro, that's Burlington, Vermont up there. This is maple syrup country. Storm chasing in Canada be like, this is our chance. Hey, we're gonna be storm chasing on fucking mooses. I want to see all the footage. There's gonna be so many fucked up trees there, bro. Bro, what the all right, I lied. Never mind. Apparently Tennessee's still getting rain. We're still getting rain. Oh, I forgot I took this. Damn it. And to top it off, we could finally start seeing hurricanes. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that shit was so wild because they were just straight up getting their asses whipped by downburst winds, 60, probably 80-mile-per-hour winds. Woof. Okay, that stuff was bringing down trees and everything. Brothers and sisters, they were just out in the pool and shit. They had to run in last minute. You gotta look at the phone. Don't side those notifications when it gives you that. It is literally coming, bro. Even Texas knows better. Oh, Florida. Damn. 2 this year? Last year I did a video on that stuff. People are getting struck by lightning more than usual. So one time you sit and just chilling, sipping your margaritas, all of a sudden, get one shot. They're just like, people just dropping from these. That's about it. It's just gonna be hot and rainy, and then it's just gonna be hot. Yeah.